Oh, I found it.
Whoa, that Sparky is the most awesome thing I've ever accidentally shot. Aside from you, of course. How cool would it be to get this thing working again?
How cool would it be to win a battle for once?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
How would I know? Yeah, I was.
We got 1,001 zappers and some galvanized wheels.
Go, Sparky! Go, Sparky, go!
Triple-coated wiring and extra sharp bumper stuff.
Go, Sparky! Go, Sparky, go!
Components fold when they're hit with a blast of force.
Uh-oh, now the radio's broken.
No, that's just how the song ends. It's working. We did it.
Yep, definitely working.
Welcome to the jungle arena, that is. I'm here with 2 members of a blue team who are on a humiliating losing streak. Ladies, what makes you think today will be any different?
Well, Marin, you might say we have a little surprise in store for the red team. A shocking surprise.
Is it a Sparky? I bet it's a Sparky, because you said shocking, and that makes me think Sparky.
This interview is over.
With only 30 seconds left, the red team is leading 2 towers to 1. It looks like the blue team is headed for yet another loss.
Polly, it's time!
The blue team does have a Sparky. I knew them saying shocking was a giveaway. That ties the score. The Sparky is headed for the Red King's tower. The blue team wins. The losing streak is over. And I reported the whole thing. So in a lot of ways, this is about me.